Hopefully we're recording. I thought I'd show you what I got at Amazon. So we haven't really been able to do a lot of our videos because we just really didn't have enough the right equipment. And as I'm sitting here, I'm like, oh, there's something to open this with. Wondering where the right equipment is. So we'll see what we got. We ordered a few different things so we can get started on the video. Oh, these are frames for making paper. That's going to be one of our upcoming tutorials. What's in here? That is a photo backing. So a 5 by 7 curtain, and it looks like so some of them I got for dual purpose, the videos and for still pictures of the furniture that we get done. Oh my. That's pretty. Do you like it? I'll fold it back up in a minute. Like my husband for a minute. Alright. So one thing that we've done is that we've been buying tripods for videotaping, the camera tripods at Goodwill and Savers and yard sales, and so we have plenty of them, but they don't all come with phone mounts. So we got some phone mounts so we can utilize all of them, and camera mounts. Let's see, these are also for making paper. They're small. I think there's a triangle, two different rectangles maybe, or squares, 2 squares, a circle, and a heart. Those would be fun. I was thinking little seed packets, that people could give away for Mother's Day. This is another little phone bracket. And Jim's going to be like, what were you thinking? Well, I was kind of thinking outside of the box. So let's see, what is this one? Wait till you see it, you're going to be like, this is so not you, but is it? I mean, you are not right, you. Urban graffiti wall. I thought it was kind of fun. I do have some fun ideas for some furniture, so let's see. Oh, I got 3 of these. We had one. I'm going to be able to put them up somewhere and not have to hunt them down when I need them. So this is another kind of phone mount, and as you can see, you can bend it. You can also bend it on your handlebars, on the bicycle, so we can take a bike ride and see where that goes. So I got 3 of those. And this one I'm already using at home, and I really liked it because it doesn't have the springs like the other ones. You actually have to unscrew it. It seems a lot more stable to me. I'm hoping I'm right. You know, and it just screws onto the existing mount that you've got on there. Let's see, what else do we get? So Jim had like 4 different kinds that he wanted to try out. So some of these are his 4 different kinds. So that's another kind. Oh, those are those. And then I got some bees. Some cute little bees to embellish. They're not as cute as I was hoping, honestly. But they're okay. Yeah. Some of them are adorable. I'll pick through them and use what I really like. But yeah, there you go. Oh, here's one more thing. So Jim wrote, well, he's written 16 different books now, I think, and he's going to start doing videos on them. And he asked me to get him this so basically it'll hold the backdrops, which he's ordered 3 custom-made backdrops from someone on Amazon, and they will match his book covers. This is one that you can set up as a corner. Let's see if I can find a picture in the instructions so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you, you're welcome. Oh, see? So the backdrop stand, and so it's 20 by 7 feet. You can either have it straight across, or you can have 2 10 by 7 at an angle. So that's kind of exciting. And we're really, you know, stepping it up here. I've been bringing more stuff from home. Not that I need any more stuff, but I'm going to sit down later today and actually write a schedule as to what I am making each day and try to stick to the schedule. Sometimes my mood dictates that. Been going through a lot, you know, with the loss of my mom, but that's okay. Life goes forward. And, you know, I'm almost 60, Jim is 60, and we just want to get the best out of this end of our life, you know, the last quarter of it or whatever, however long we have left. So you guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so I'll look